Welcome to our full guide on adding Google Analytics to your Canva website. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can enhance your online presence. First, let's set up your Google Analytics account. Head over to analytics.google.com and click on Start for free. Next, create a new property for your Canva website. Fill in your website name and URL to get started. Once your property is created, you'll receive a tracking ID. This is vital for connecting Google Analytics to your website. Now, log into your Canva account and navigate to the website settings where you'll add the tracking ID. Here, paste your Google Analytics tracking ID into the designated field and save the changes. Let's verify if the tracking code is functioning properly. You can do this by checking the real-time reports in Google Analytics. Familiarize yourself with key metrics like traffic, bounce rate, and user engagement to understand your audience better. Use the data from Google Analytics to optimize your Canva website. Focus on high-performing pages and user behavior. Congratulations! Now you know how to set up Google Analytics for your Canva website. Don't forget to monitor your analytics regularly,